Class. It's your instructor, Chloe Perrone. I just wanted to give a little tutorial about the layout of the course and how to navigate the pages and how to access all of the aspects of the course that you'll need to. So if you're new to BCIT or new to the Learning Hub, what used to be called previously D2L, it still is the D2L platform. They've just renamed it to Learning Hub. So if you're new or unfamiliar with some of the aspects of it, you're definitely not alone. It's not incredibly it takes a while to get used to, but I just wanted to see or to show you in the context of this course the really important aspects of the platform that you're going to need to be checking, aware of, and on top of. So this is our kind of our home page. So this is where you are going to see anything. There's the news, the calendar, and if you have any new emails pertaining to this particular course. So your PC-wide emails aren't coming to this page. They will be coming to either your BCIT, you can log into your BCIT, this one here, just mybcit.ca. That's where you would get your kind of your school-wide emails. But any emails that pertain to this course are going to show up on this page as well. So like I said, here's the news. So here are the items. Say I have an update to the course, a change, anything I want to bring to the attention. So it might be course-based, it might also be school-based. Anything, at all of the weeks, I will have a weekly update. So make sure to either set up your notifications so that you're there's another little video about how to do that, but setting up your notifications is really going to make accessing your coursework a little bit easier and more streamlined, and allow you just to make sure that you're not missing important details and news items and updates and grade items. So like I said, this is the news section, so anything I update the course will be posted there. We also have on the sidebar here all of the upcoming due dates for the assignments, so they're all listed there. And then that's kind of all I have set up on our homepage. Now, all of the course content is going to be listed under this content tab. So this is really the guts and the meat of the course. I have an overview section, so please review this and read this carefully. This is just kind of an overview of the course and what to expect, and kind of a little bit of background and a little bit of information about accessing InDesign, how to be a designer, and then just kind of some more specifics about myself. I have, there's another course schedule here too. So since we have nothing coming up immediately, not for another 3 weeks, you're not going to see anything in the upcoming section, but in the full schedule, listed again will be all of the upcoming due dates. The table of contents is going to be really where the meat of the course is. So the very first thing you're going to see is how to be successful in this course. Now this is just an overview of the course. So there's lots of things here that you're really going to have to read carefully. Again, there's the course schedule. And that's just, again, a table of all of the assignments and projects, the title of it, so the date, when the date starts, what the material covered, the activity, the exercise or project that we will be starting that date, what are the grades, and then the due dates for that specific assignment. If you click through, there's going to be some other very, very important information that you need to read through. So how to submit your work, if it's late, I'll go through that in another second. Things, technical requirements, so we will be learning InDesign, so there's information about how to access InDesign. You will also need Acrobat and how to get that. Some more learning resources, InDesign resources about technology, and if you need extra help. I have all of my tutorials on YouTube, so every exercise, we'll go through that. Is going to be viewable on YouTube, and then there's also some BCIT technical resources if you get stuck on anything. Next is just kind of a big long list of how to keep on your top of your coursework. So this is not a self-paced course. How long often you should log in, how much time you should be spending on, actually that's another section. So just about kind of keeping on top of the coursework. So read through that in great detail. It's all very important. Some information about group projects, again, very important in this course. everyone's disdain, how more information about contacting me, and then some information about tech support at BCIT, and then I think that's it for this section. So then we get into the week by week. So you'll see on this left sidebar here the list of the courses week by week. So week 1 is today, January 2nd, next week, January 3rd, 13th, etc., etc., etc. Now, our weeks start on the Monday. So if you're looking at your calendar, the Monday is technically, so we are today. So this is the beginning of, the Mondays are the beginning of our courses, but it technically the Sunday at midnight. So obviously Monday actually starts Sunday at midnight. So the start of the course is actually Sunday at midnight. So, but I mean, for all intents and purposes, the week starts on a Monday. Please read through this all very carefully. I have just some things about setting up your profile, posting something for the very first time. But then once you get into the kind of the overview of the actual work that we'll be doing for the week, there's going to be a little synopsis, learning outcomes explanation. And then when we get into the presentations, they won't all be like this, but a lot of them are going to be these PDF presentations, and I want to make sure that you can view them in your browser just like this, but I have some Audible, and if you click on it, you'll notice that it's not actually within your browser. Those Audible is not clickable, so you have to download it. And so you need to use this download button here on the top right, and that will open up a separate file. So just download it. And then once it's downloaded, yours might automatically open up in Acrobat if you have it set up that way. If not, just make sure to locate that file. And once you do that, you will be able to hear the audio. It's a little bit primitive. I'm trying to change this setup, but this is what I have currently. Hopefully this is going to work. It might not work perfectly right now because I'm recording. It should work. Has worked for 9 years or 5 years, so it might just something me going on with my computer. If you have any problems, obviously email me. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
This is the first slide, basically, we're going to see.
And you'll add an.
So,
want to stop it? Just press the pause. So there you go. So that's going to be kind of the presentations for the course throughout the course. I'm always going to have these web resources, so anything extra, I think that's really important. You must click through these. Occasionally I'm going to ask in the discussions that you comment on one of the websites that I have listed here. So make sure to read through all of those and look through all of those websites. This is where you're going to post questions to the class, and where I will do those occasional wanting you to comment on something that you found or some kind of discussion. And then, and then where is the assignment? Sorry, did I breeze through it? Oh, it's not there right now. Somehow I have gotten rid of it. I don't know what happened there. I have to fix that. There should be an assignment in week 1. I don't see it for some reason. I'll just show you the assignment in week 2 because that will show you where things like the assignment folders, I have them within a link within the explanation of, or the description or instructions of the assignment. So if this one's a very long one, and where is it? Now I don't have it either. Oh, because this is a group one. So this is slightly different. Now if you, like myself, kind of get a little bit lost and need to find, say, an assignment. Oh, I'll find you one just quickly within, oh, that's a totally different one as well. And this is also a group one. Where is one that's not a group one? Okay, this one. So here is an assignment, and I just wanted to show you that there are links to the assignment folders within the description. Oh, here's, for instance, a link to the video tutorials for this assignment. So those are going to be those things listed. Now, I do have links, like I said, within, so this is within the assignment description. So this is where you would upload your work. I have rubrics set up so you can see a long list of how you're going to be graded. And then there's going to be add a file. So click on that, upload your files or the required files. I'm very, very specific about what type of files I want to be uploaded. If you have a note that you want to give me, say if something's late or if there's something you want to point out, or you uploaded multiple files and you want to ensure that I'm correcting the correct one, that's where you put a note, click submit. But if you ever get lost and can't find the assignment link, you can always go into under activities and assignments, and you will see a long list of, now these are the old groups, so those aren't, those are the group ones. But anytime that, say for instance, there's the magazine ad, you would click on that one. And that's, again, you get that upload page so you can submit your assignments that way. One other thing I want to show you in this course, I'm not going to show you too many details because there's lots of things going on, but there are the grades here. So grades, you're going to see your specific grades listed here, but these are kind of for your eyes only, just so you're aware that I do post them there, and this is where I would have all the comments and critique and feedback for your assignments. But you're going to, I ultimately need to upload them also to my BCIT.ca, and this is where the administration sees them. I have a teacher's website here, so yours might look a little bit different, but this is where you're going to see your course grades that the administration is going to see. So there's two places to see your grades. I don't actually upload them till the very end of the course here, so you're going to have to check within the course your grades to be able to see them kind of as they get inputted. And that's really all I want to show you for this little video description. But just be aware, again, this is the week by week content, and this is where you're going to see all of the learning, the assignments, and everything that you have to do for the week. And then just make sure to go your course homepage to make sure that you're you're reading the news items and set up those notifications. I have another video about how to do that in the description of the course, but make sure that you do that as well.